Nikki, and I'm here with Next Advance, looking at their homogenization beads and Lysis kits for mechanical homogenization. Today we're going to look at all the different bead options and their Lysis kits to help you determine what's going to work best for your samples. The beads come in 3 different materials. We have our glass beads, our zirconium oxide beads, and our stainless steel beads. The glass and zirconium oxide beads are less dense, making them ideal for softer tissues like brain, spleen, and cell culture. Our stainless steel beads are more dense, which means they're better for those tougher tissues like heart and tumor. All bead types come in a range of sizes, starting at 0.1 millimeters and going all the way up to 11 millimeters. Our small beads are good for those smaller samples or cell culture. The larger beads are going to be good for those denser, tougher tissues or special applications. We also have our UFO bead, which features a cutting edge, making them the ideal choice for those super tough samples. Now, mixtures of beads tend to be the most effective for disrupting whole tissues and cells. To make your life easier, Next Advance has actually designed bead Lysis kits, which allow you to process many samples at a time. You don't have to worry about the hassle of dispensing beads because they've been pre-filled tubes with optimized bead combinations. If you have a smaller buffer volume, you're going to be looking at our pink Lysis kits for your soft tissue, or our green Lysis kits for that tougher tissue. If your protocol requires a larger buffer volume, you're going to want the red Lysis kits for your soft tissue and the navy Lysis kits for the tougher tissue. Depending on your sample size, we do offer 2 different options for those Lysis kits. They come in the 1.5 ml tubes, like you see here, or 5 ml tube sizes. All the beads and Lysis kits also have the option of being DNase and RNase free. You can recognize them by their yellow label. If you don't know what bead or Lysis kit to use, feel free to check out our sample protocols on the website or connect with customer support.